Hello, everybody. My name is Fedor Kozlov. I'm an attorney in the state of Illinois, and today I'm going to continue our conversation about DCFS and everything that has to do with the DCFS. One of the main questions that we get from our clients is, should I call DCFS, or when should I call DCFS? DCFS, Department of Children and Family Services, almost involved when something happens with the child directly, or when the child sees something going on between the parents. So, for example, if you go through a divorce procedure and there is a custody agreement and visitation is in place, and you get your child back, and there are some bruises on the child's elbows, knees, or whatever you see. Sometimes clients ask us, should I call DCFS? Well, if you call DCFS, keep in mind that the DCFS investigation will be not only against the person who had the child at that time. It could be a party, a husband or wife, father or mother, or also grandparents, or whoever that can be, but also it will be against you. The whole family is going to be under the investigation. Do you want to call DCFS for these purposes? I don't know. It's a difficult question to answer. I think you need a consultation with an attorney before you pick up the phone and make a call like that. And the reason is very simple. DCFS right now indicates almost everybody for alleged violations. The codes, even though the burdens by preponderance of the evidence is still on the DCFS, the code is very light in terms of DCFS can easily meet its burden. Remember that any statement made by the child is admissible, even though the child will not be present during the hearing. And the investigative file, including police reports and including even medical information, will be admissible by DCFS, and the judge will see it. So any records that DCFS investigator will supply for the purposes of the hearing will be admissible, and the judge will see it. And again, the burden of proof by the preponderance of the evidence. What preponderance of the evidence is, it means that 51% against 49, 51% DCFS has to prove against the 49% that your burden of proof. And if DCFS upholds your indictment, it's going to stay on your record for the next 5 years. It can influence your job if you have something to do with the kids, or if you're a registered nurse, etc. So when you make that phone call, make sure that you act in the best interest of the child. Don't just retaliate against the other side. Call us for any of these questions, 847-241-1299, 847-241-1299. Thank you.